Hi friends, in this video I would be showing Samsung washing machine drum cleaning powder. See, this is a Samsung drum cleaning powder. So let me open this cover. This packet contains another 6 small packets. I will also explain how we can use this. First step, make sure the washing machine is empty. Then open the main detergent drawer. Pour the entire powder packet. So one packet we can open, then pour. We can also directly pour into the drum. After that, close the detergent drawer. Then turn on the washing machine. We can select the drum cleaner or Echo Drum Clean program. If your model does not have that option, then use the cotton cycle with the highest temperature, 60 to 90 degrees Celsius. Then we need to press start button and let the cycle finish. When it's done, leave the door and detergent drawers slightly open for a few hours to let the inside dry. Now question would be how often we need to do this. Run a drum cleaning cycle about once a month or whenever the machine reminds you with the drum clean indicator. At that moment you can do this process. We can use this product with all Samsung washing machines. Keep this product away from children. Please avoid direct contact with eyes. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.